Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open your phone settings and tap Extensions or Browser Extensions to begin. Find Doodle in the list by name or search bar. Toggle Doodle Extension on and grant permissions for microphone and storage when prompted. Close the settings and open your browser or host app again. Restart your browser or app and wait 30 seconds for the extension to initialize. Confirm the Doodle icon appears in the toolbar or share sheet before proceeding to create. Tap the Doodle icon in your toolbar or select Share, then Doodle from any app. Use the built-in canvas controls to zoom, pan, and undo up to 50 actions. Choose pen color and a 1/4 opacity if you want raw sketches. Use the Layers button to add or hide up to 5 layers while drawing. When finished, tap Export and choose PNG, JPG, or Copy to Clipboard in 3 taps. Confirm the file saved to your Photos or Files app before closing the canvas. If Doodle fails to open, clear app cache and relaunch the host app immediately. Check that background permissions and battery optimizations are disabled for the browser or host. Update to the latest extension version via the store if features behave oddly or crash repeatedly. Use the Doodle settings menu to adjust touch sensitivity and 5-inch ruler options for precision. Contact support through the extension feedback form and include device model and OS version. Test drawing after each change to confirm the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.